Ay na, jersey number Oile, dribbling the ball. Jersey number Robs, pass to jersey number 16, number 6, pass to jersey number 5, basket. Foul by jersey number 17. Second personal foul penalty. Ang score natin 39-33. 39-33 po ang ating score. Okay, 50 seconds remaining time of the third quarter, Mr. Rex. Looking for his teammates. 33-41, 8-point lead by Los Amigos. Basilio will be number 24. Number 24, magkatawid ng bola. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, 30 seconds remaining time. Jersey number 6, no kills again. Rebound by jersey number 6. Traveling violations. 27 seconds left of the third quarter, Mr. Rex. Mr. Rex giving the ball, Mr. Rex. Mr. Rex, no good again, rebound by Raimundo. 15 seconds remaining time, still by Jonathan, pass to Rex. Rex sa corner pass to jersey number 18, Lamy on the shot. Basket 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fourth quarter na po tayo, guys. Ay na, Mr. Jersey number 24 maglalabas ng bola. Pass to jersey number, back to number 24. Jersey number 24 yan na po. Jersey number 3, Raimundo to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, 10 to shoot, 9, 8, 7, he's still back, Toto, pass to Jonathan. Jonathan tumatakbo, Jonathan, Mr. Jonathan. Mr. Jonathan, there is a foul by numero 24. First personal foul, first team foul. Shooting foul yun.
Nanalo ako ng isa.
Ay na, 23. Trying to shot. Basket lang para kay Mr. Jonathan. 5-point lead na lang po ang hinahabol. Ay na, second throw by Mr. Jonathan. Basket substitution. Substitution yep.
Hindi, maghanap ako doon. Maghanap ako doon.
Ay na, Mr. Jersey number 24. Number 24. Number 24, number 24, Mr. Len. Pass to jersey number 9. Frankie no good. Iwan by Jonathan. Jonathan, pass to Lamis. Lamis magtatawid ng bola. Lamis looking for his teammate to jersey number 16. Number 16, Dumalanta. Dumalanta with a shot. Iwan by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, Raimundo. Raimundo magtatawid para sa Los Amigos. Jersey number 3. 9 minutes of the fourth period and final quarter. Jersey number 6 to number 8. Jersey number 24 to Ganadel. Ganadel! Offensive foul by jersey number 9.
Teka. Saglit.
Taga, número 9.
Pero ya está sacado, pero está pirando la pelota.
Okay, back to the volume, jersey number 7. Number 7 to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 28, number 28. Basket is good by jersey number 18. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Los Amigos. 41-39. Jersey number 24, Mr. Len. Pass to Ganadel. Ganadel on a foul by jersey number 7. Third personal foul Both team first team foul.
Ganun din yun. Sa ano?
Jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 7. Number 7. Jersey number 7. Possession ball for the Los Amigos. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 24. Number 24. Number 24, Len. Len. Oops. Ball possession for still Young. Ay na, pass for jersey number 4. Number 4. Jersey number 4 to jersey number 6. Number 6. Number 6 pass to jersey number 24. Our score is 41-39. 8 minutes left of the final quarter. Ops, nagkatabigan nakuha ni Dom Malanta. Dumalanta, tumatakbo para sa Still Young. Dumalanta, takbo laban sa dalawa. No good rebound by Aquino. Aquino, jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 24, number 24. Number 24, number 24. No good, rebound by jersey number 23. Jonathan tumatakbo, jersey number 23, number 23, number 23. Pass to jersey number 1. Nagkaagawan. Kuya Frankie. Pass to jersey number 24. Istulia. Scoring 43. Jonathan dribbling the ball. Mr. Jonathan dribbling the ball. Off sa penalty shot. Turns out call by ref. Foul by jersey number 3. Raimundo. Jersey number 3. Warning for foul down. Second team foul. 7 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Time of the fourth and final quarter. 7 minutes and 9 seconds left. 7 minutes and 9 seconds. 7 minutos 9 segundos na lang ang natitira sa ating substitution. Okay, ball possession for Los Amigos numero 19 to Ganadel. Ganadel to jersey number 18. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Pass to Perry. Abaratagi to jersey number 24. He's still by number 20. He's still by number 6. Pass to jersey number 9. Number 18 on the fadeaway shot. Third personal foul. Both teams. Second team foul. 45-40. 5-point lead by Los Amigos. Jersey number 18. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time of the fourth and final quarter. Ating na hinahabol ng Istilia. Dumalanta. Pass to Lamis. Lamis back to Dumalanta. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Magtatawid ang bola. Jersey number 16. Pass to Buya Rex. Rex for baba sa tatlo ang hinahabol ng Istilia. Jersey number 18. Back to Len. Regarding by foul by jersey number 15. Mr. Jonas. Jersey number 15. Warning for foul down.
Team foul, madam.
Third team
Warning, mas lang, warning.
Warning for foul out. Jersey number 15. Third team foul pa lang. Third team foul. Ayun na po. Jersey number looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 24. Len. Crossover. Len hitting the ball. Jersey number 24. Number 24. Len. Jersey number 24. Shot. By number 24. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Los Amigos. Jersey number 16. 6 minutes left of the fourth quarter. Jersey number 16. 12 sectors of goal by jersey number 6. Number 6. Second personal foul Both team, third team foul. Third team foul, both team. 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Almost 6 minutes pa po ang natitira sa final quarter. Ay na, jersey number 16 to Rex. Jersey number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 2 Kenny. Kenny tumatakbo. Kenny on the layup. Good. Rebound by Kenny again. Kenny open shot for three. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9. Gana din sa ilalim. Pass to number 8. No defense. Jersey number 8 still. Pass to jersey number 23. Violation. Los amigos. Raimundo to Len. Len dribbling the ball. Len to Frankie. Aquino dribbling the ball. Aquino. Aquino. 12 to shoot. 10. 9. 8. Is by Dumalanga. Dumalanga to Vabora. Frankie to Ganade. Ganade. Nag-easy lang. 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Aquino na siya. Nakita si Perry sa ilalim. Pass to Ganade. Oops. Same ball. 11 to shoot. 11 second shot clock. 11 second shot clock. Substitution Rex. Kuya Rex. Substitution Kuya Rex. Ayan na po. 11 to shoot. Jersey number 24. 9, 8, 7, 6 is still by Lamis. Lamis, there's a foul by jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty pa lang po tayo. 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. 4 minutes and 48 seconds. 4 minutos 48 segundos. Na lang ang natitira sa ating fourth and final quarter. Number 23 to jersey number 13, Basilio. Basilio to Jonathan to Laris. Ball possession. Same ball, same ball.
Kanina sila.
Naka-live tayo. Oh, kanina si Tata na nagano, sample. Hindi ginagalaw yung araw.
Nag-jumble tayo, kuya. Nag-jumble.
Ball possession dito. Ball possession.
Ayan na, jersey number 30, Basilio. Basilio, dibigyan ba number 52 na lang tapos 3 48-46, 2.2 na lang ang kalamangan ng Los Amigos. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Mr. Frankie. Frankie, 12 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, first and foul by jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. First personal foul. Boxing, warning for penalty.
Hindi pa nakakapaul eh.
Committee ka ba?
Hindi naman. Sandali na.
Jersey number 9. Basket is good. 4 minutes and 16 seconds left. 4 minutes and 16 seconds left.
Sandali. So, Joseph, pakisabihan mo yung mga ano mo dito kasi nagre-reklamo sila hindi dapat. Okay?
Basket is good. Jersey
Pwede,
number 9.
pwede.
Okay, jersey number 13, number 13. Number 13. Number 13, dribbling the ball, Basilio. 50 ang ito, 50-46. 4.3 sa Los Amigos, Gana din to Leo. Ball possession pa, jersey number 16, Dumalanta.
Cambio.
Penalty tayo.
Ilang foul na yan?
Third personal foul, penalty. Third personal foul by jersey number 16. 2 shots para kay Kuya. Jersey number 24. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. The final quarter. 4 minutes left. Jersey number 24. First attempt.
Yes!
Good.
Shoot, Len!
Second attempt by number 24. Jersey number 24.
Kailangan tidepensa.
Oops. Again. Last 4 minutes na lang po. 51-46. 5-point lead by Los Amigos.
Shoot, Len!
Jersey number 24. For the last shot.
Yes!
No good. Rebound by jersey number oops. Frankie for the fadeaway. No good again. Rebound by jersey number 24. Number 24. Late for the shot. No good pass. Possession foul. Foul by jersey number 9. Warning for penalty. Warning for Godway by jersey number 9. Penalty rep. Both team penalty. Warning for foul out. Jersey number 9, Mr. Ganaden from Los Amigos. Time remaining 3 minutes and 52 seconds. 3 minutes and 52 seconds. First shot. No good. Okay, second throw by Lamis. No good again by Ganaden. Ganaden to Len. Len to Derrick. Batali for 3. No good rebound by Dumalanta. Pass to Jonathan. Jonathan to Jonas. Jonas nagkagawa ng konang bitawan ngayon ng Dumalanta to Lamis to Jonathan. Basket is good. Babasa takuha ka naman ng Los Amigos. Still by Dumalanta to Jonas. Jonas to Basilio. Basilio for the foul. Shot. Ball possession for Los Amigos. 51-48. 51-48. 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time of the fourth quarter. Number 24. Number 24 to Frankie. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, to 5-point lead. Time. 5 seconds, 3 minutos, ay 2 minutos, 55 segundos. Ayan na, jersey number 16. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Dumalanta, tatapikan, same ball. 15 seconds, shot na. 15 seconds, shot na po tayo, guys. Ayan na, jersey number 13. Number 13, Basilio. Bigyan tayo. Ball possession, 10 over na naman for Mr. Len. Mr. Len, dribbling the ball. Len, dribbling the ball. Panap na babasahan to jersey number 18. Number 18 shot. No good again. Given by jersey number 18 again. Pass to Len. 9 seconds left. 8, 7. No good again. Given by number 23. Number 23, Jonathan. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Mr. Jonas on the shot. Basket is good. Babasa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Los Amigos. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Aquino to Raimundo. Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 3, Raimundo. Right to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. No good again. Given by jersey number 2 to jersey number 23, Jonathan. Jonathan to Basilio. Basilio won the shot. Given by Jonas. Still by Raimundo. Raimundo tumatakbo. Raimundo. 1 minute and 35 seconds left. 3-point lead by Los Amigos. Raimundo pass to Len. Len. Pass to jersey number 8. Shot. No good again. Pass to jersey number 13. Basilio. Basilio. Basilio to Dumalanta. Dumalanta. Same ball. Substitution. As for natin, 53-50. Kuya Jimmy, substitution. Kuya Jimmy Basilio, substitution po tayo. 53-50, 3-point lead by Los Amigos. 1 minute and 19 seconds left. 1 minute and 19 seconds left of the final quarter. Jersey number 16, Dumalanta to number 15 to number 7, next to Lapis Buna, number promise again to Versa Lalim Basket is good. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Los Amigos, 53-52. 52.
Okay, 2 free throws. Ball possession.
Dos possession.
Shoot left.
Jersey number 7, warning for foul down. 1 minute and 4 seconds left. 1 minute and 4 seconds left. 1 minute and 4 seconds left. Isang minuto, 4 na segundo na lang ang natutira sa final quarter. No good by number 24. Ang oras natin, 1 minute and 4 seconds. Score, 53-52.
Meron pa tayo sila?
Yes!
No good. 1 minute and 4 seconds left. 1 point lead by Los Amigos. Raymundo. Raymundo. Pass to jersey number 9. Number 9 Ganabin. Ganabin shot. Wala. Rebound. Ball possession for Los Stiliang. Stiliang ball. Stiliang. Stiliang ball po tayo. 58 seconds. 58 seconds. Sumalanta. Pagkakataon lumabas ng Stiliang. Jersey number 18. Lamis. Lamis looking for his teammate. Spin by Jonathan. Lamis bounce to shoot. Take. Next. Complete. Ibang pala mo kay Raymundo. May pass to Ino. Ino by the 33 seconds. Jersey number 15. To number 16 to Lamis. Lamis there's a foul. Congratulations, foul down. 28 seconds. 28 seconds remaining time. 28 seconds. 28 segundos left. 28 segundos.
Time out, time out.
Isa pa sila kayo, may time out na kayo.
No good. 55-52. 55-52, 3-point lead na lang. Hindi na tayo makahinga ng mga kababayan. Jersey number 8. Luis Water. Lamang po ng dalawa ang Los Amigos sa kartadang 55-53. Ball possession for Los Amigos. Raymundo Tule. Le magkakawid ng bola. 25 seconds left. Jersey number 9. Jersey 20 seconds left. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 3 Raymundo. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Buti na lang naglabaw sa Dina! Buti na lang naglabaw sa Dina!
Thank you very much sa mga nanonood at sumuporta sa aming paliga. Maraming salamat po!
Ay! Yan kami dito! Tama